open. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the bulldozer. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. There's something wrong with the wires. The cover plate. Keep going. That's great. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's it. Plug the wire into the right place. Red, red. Green. Blue. Great job! Oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Super duper! That's great! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble Bulldozer!